Hello, my name is Dan Phillips, owner and technical advisor for US Cellar Systems. Today we are going to go over the basic components of a refrigeration system and how a refrigeration system works. This will give you an idea of how the cooling system for your wine cellar operates. Our primary components are number one, the compressor, number two, the condenser, number three, the metering device, number four, the evaporator coil. The refrigeration cycle starts with the compressor, which brings in a low pressure, low temperature gas from the evaporator coil, compresses it into a high pressure, high temperature gas, and then forces it into the condenser, where the condenser condenses this high pressure, high temperature gas into a high pressure, warm liquid. It does this either by moving air across the coil, or some other medium can be used to take the heat out of the refrigerant. Then this high pressure, warm liquid will move through the system to the metering device. The metering device causes a drop in pressure where it goes from a high pressure, high temperature liquid to a low pressure, low temperature liquid, at which, moving into the evaporator, it absorbs heat from the room in just about the reverse process of what the condenser does, by the warmer air coming in across the evaporator coil, the heat being absorbed out of it, and then the cooler air is returned back to the room. This process turns the liquid refrigerant back into your low pressure, low temperature gas, and it returns back to the compressor to repeat the cycle.